Here coming from the WEFTEC Innovation Pavilion with Rick Oppedisano. And Rick's company is Delta Bravo, and the product is called Aquaspec. So Rick, I have 3 questions for you. 1, how did water find you? 2, I need a 1-minute elevator pitch of your product. And 3, what is one ask you have of the water community?
So how did water find us? Okay. Well, we inadvertently backed into water. I attended a sustainability seminar where I heard a professor from the University of South Carolina talking about the operator shortage, talk about the rising cost of running a plant, and the competitive nature of AI data centers, manufacturing, and agriculture, creating potential shortages and risk around the water ecosystem. So we were solving similar problems in the manufacturing space. And as I listened to these scenarios, I said, it's one thing to do something great for manufacturing, because that's wonderful for the GDP. It's a patriotic thing to do, help America compete. But if we apply this brain power and apply this talent and apply AI to this problem in water, we can do something for humanity. And so that's really how we started focusing on the space. Then from there, we applied for National Science Foundation Convergence Acceleration funding, which we won phase 2 recently, which is a $5 million award. So we are hitting the ground running. Now, the second question was...
1-minute elevator pitch.
Okay. So Aquaspec is the next generation operating system for water, wastewater systems, and utilities. We use a combination of machine learning and generative AI to help water systems treat, troubleshoot, and train 10 times faster than they can today. Our early pilot systems are seeing a 25% reduction in cost around energy, labor, chemical usage. And lastly, we're helping systems recover from resilience problems. So if they go offline, how can we quickly recover to a compliant state? We can help them do that 10 times faster than they're capable of doing today. We like to look at it from the perspective of all these wonderful systems here at a place like WEFTEC. They're all creating tons of data that people can look at. What we're doing, and that's great, that kind of takes the industry from the postal letter to the telegraph. We want to take it from the telegraph to the telephone, where we can contextualize that data in real time, make it hyper-personal with a system that everybody knows how to use from day one, that people in small systems can use, that people in mid-sized systems can use, and even the largest and the biggest of the big. And then the third question.
What is your one ask of the water community?
The one ask I would have of the water community is to push themselves a little bit in terms of thinking more forward-facing about AI. And what I mean by that specifically is AI can make a lot of difference, whether it's to a commercial business or a water utility, when you start to rethink your processes and workflows with the intent of using AI to drive them. So people are the bottleneck in the industry. That is one of our problem. People are the bottleneck. So how can we look at it like a manufacturing process with a focus on reducing or eliminating that bottleneck by using things like agentic AI within the human workflow that exists today? So just a little forward thinking, and reach out to people like us. We love to talk about this. As you guys can see, I have no problem talking. So we welcome the dialogue.
Well, thank you so much, Rick. And one last, if people want to find your company, where should they go?
Okay, great. So we have aquaspec.ai. Come to the website. You can contact us that way, or LinkedIn, Rick Oppedisano, Delta Bravo, or just email. I answer all the emails. I'm like Mark Cuban. I will do it all night. It's RICKO, Ricko at deltabravo.ai, or Ricko at aquaspec.ai.
Thanks, Rick.
Thank you, Megan.